Lesson 4. NAICS codes. What is NAICS code? A NAICS, pronounced NAICS, code is a classification within the North American Industry Classification System. The NAICS system was developed for use by federal statistical agencies for the collection, analysis, and publication of statistical data related to the U.S. economy. It was adopted in 1997 to replace the standard industrial classification, that's the SIC, system in cooperation with the statistical agencies of Canada and Mexico. Their goal was to establish a North American standard. They developed the NAICS as the first economic classification system based on single economic concept. So what are the uses of NAICS codes? The NAICS code is used to identify risk. This is applicable to loans relating to your business or even personal loans, business insurance of many kinds, business credit cards, leasing a premise or occupying a certain suite, most of all conducting research on your industry. And that's essentially what lenders will do. So they will conduct their own research on your industry and look at the statistics. They'll say, hey, well, this looks risky. The last 40,000 people or entities that formed and did this, 38% of them failed. 70% of them blew up, and remainers are, kind of questionable. So when you consider the industry that you go into, consider the life or the lifeblood. Is this something that if I'm looking to grow and I need to rely on anything outside of myself, and again, this course is about relying upon yourself and using your current wages, but in some cases, you may need a credit card or something of that nature. Some business lenders may not want to lend to you if you're, let's say, in real estate, but they may want to lend to you if you sell goods, and vice versa. It just depends on which lender you're going to for what. And again, I do not give business advice, or not that kind, but what I am saying is that it is highly sensitive. So keep in mind the long-term goal of the company. Okay, when I get here, will I need to do ABC? If so, perhaps I need to consider the classification of my business. Is it risky? Is it something that may be attractive, or is it something that may repel additional opportunity?